Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasni subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baru kini kilong ki khobor bam takasngi. Lada ka Congress kanyo bunpad haka election MLA Hajar Pulai lakmi lenti ba uba Vincent Pala unong umentri rang ba ka jila yatu unong yalam ka Congress Gaurav Gogoi haka jingya kendu syakilat pathai khobor ha Congress Bhawan Shillong. Gaurav Gogoi MP ke Assam ulo ong balada ke Kongres kawan hakabor u MP ke Shillong ma Vincent Pala udeban shimti kum menteri rangba ke jila Meghalaya. Naki kambat ki jingtrai kam jong uba apala kum menteri kena ke sorkar pedeng usyam ba ulong unong yalam uba biang bhaban yalam ye ke jila kum menteri rangba lada ke Kongres kawan hakabor pinsngau u Gaurav Gogoi. Ula pensyairu bakate ke jingkren ke jong u kadi ke jing sngow shimen barkam de setia baka seng kongres klarai ba uba pala onlong menteri rangba ke jela lada ke kongres kawan hakabor. Ya kini ka kam banong nong yalam sorkar ke seng kongres kan I bed hakinong thawan ke jong ka banjit ye unong yalam ban shimti ya ke syuki menteri rangba lada ke kongres kawan hakabor haka jela Meghalaya pensyai ugogoi.
Mentioned, we were supposed to land in Shillong, but because of the helicopter conditions, the helicopter landed in Umroi, and from there we took a taxi to reach all of you here. And we had, prior to coming here, we had a meeting in the constituency of Sri Vincent Pala, where myself, Alka Lamba, former Minister of State J.D. Seelam, were present. It was a fantastic meeting. It was a great response. And we formally, I think, almost declared, from our personal behalf, as Vincent Pala to be our chief ministerial face, and we told the people there that of all the things that they can expect once the Congress government is formed and Vincent Palaji becomes the chief minister, and we got great response to the promise of 3,000 rupees per month to the mothers who are from BPL families, a great response to free education for the girl child from KG to PG, and a great response to giving cylinders, because we were asking people in the crowd, what is the price that they pay, and they said that they pay 1,500 rupees. Now can you imagine, right there, in a very remote part of Meghalaya, people have to pay 1,500 rupees, where will they get the cash from? And therefore when we asked them, so how many of you are using gas cylinders? Nobody raised their hand. Most of them said, no, we cook using firewood. Because how can you afford? Because you see, suppose if you take a 14 kg cylinder, you need to refill it at least twice in a month, right? So if you 2 times into 1,500, that's 3,000 per month. Now where are you going to get that, given the state of economy and the state of unemployment and inflation? So when Congress party announced in that meeting that we are planning to give 4 cylinders free in a year, I think there's a lot of relief. It goes a long way in reducing the burden on these families.